Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to show you how to create a realistic mirror material. So first we have to do render of this scene, and after that, you can see there is no material applied. Press M for material, and select a ball. And click on Standard. Then, select V-Ray material. Then go to Reflect, and change the color to full white. And max depth 5, change. The subdivise 20. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, feel free to leave a comment below, and stay tuned for the next video.